Good afternoon, this is Adam Pollock with Tadlock Roofing. We're at 508 Forest Park Drive, Pensacola, Florida. As you can see, I'm up here on top of your roof. Just completed my roof inspection, my measurements, and we're going to take a tour of my findings. So, first off, the shingles themselves are in, the granules I'm talking about are in good shape. We're going to take a close-up of what your shingles look like. I mean, they're in, the shingles itself still have life left in them. It has to do with the installment of the roof, which I see all the time, which is not fair because, one, the shingles, once again, are in decent shape, but it's just the way that the roof was installed. So I'm going to point out a few things. This is sidewalk chalk, and this will come off when it rains next. A lot of your shingles on the corners are lifting, and some are actually starting to separate the hole. So a couple reasons why is when they installed the shingle, the adhesive did not bond correctly because it was never once again installed correctly. This is very common to an inexperienced roofer. It just happens. See, you can see right here, this is a prime example. See how it doesn't overlap correctly, and that I just went over there and just lifted it up. It never sealed properly, and these are the issues you're having on the front slope, the back slope, all over the roof. The flashing here was never done correctly. You're supposed to have the flashing, this is tar, this is not correct. The flashing is supposed to be at an angle into your mortared, two layers, and then the peel and stick, and then tucked underneath the shingles here, and it was never properly done. And these are the issues you're having. And see, it was supposed to be wrapped around here, but if you took this pin, I could shove it all the way underneath here, and this is where half of your problem starts. And the water's getting back behind here, and it's just, and then you have once again, it was never done right. This flashing is not correct. So this is your other issue you're having. Also too, another area of concern, believe it or not, it's been tarred a couple times. This wasn't flashed at all properly. So the issue could be up here as well, running all the way down. My recommendation too is once you get the roof on here, is to put some siding in here to match. It won't cost that much, but it'll look better, plus it'll be flashed correctly. So once again, an overview of your shingles. Once again, they're in good shape. It just has to do with the installment. This is going to be another leak area here, water pouring down. They didn't do that right. It's supposed to be up and cuffed in. So, and then you have some exposed nail heads right here. That could be potential leaks in the near future. So, I hope this short video was helpful, and I do appreciate you calling Tadlock Roofing.